So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen, in this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 20 feet 3 shipping containers. The total area I have taken is, the width is 24 feet in meter 7.31 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. In the front we have outdoor sitting area and a sliding door. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, chair arrangement and also TV unit. And on the right side we have dining counter with 3 chairs and kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we'll go inside. So on the left side we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement and also TV unit on the front wall and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose. On the right side we have bedroom number 2 here with same size. You can see here the bed arrangement, TV unit and also large size window for ventilation and light purpose. An attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. If you go outside, so we have common use washroom plus water closet also. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.